And I mix them together because step number 3 says pour in milk and oil and mix well. I think those mugs are a little deeper. Finally, nice splash of vanilla. Splish, splash. And mix again. Step 5 says, put your mug into the microwave and cook on high for 3 minutes. The most dangerous chocolate cake in the world. Let's put another one together. But this time, I want you to help me. Okay? Here's my mug. What do I do first, Giovanna?
First, you add in all the dry ingredients and mix well.
Okay, help me with that.
You need 4 tablespoons of flour,
And what else do I need, Giovanna?
4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and a dash of salt.
And how do you know that?
Because the pattern goes flour, sugar, cocoa, salt, 4, 4, 2, dash.
Nice job. Then why don't you go ahead and do that?
One, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 tablespoons of sugar.
Nice job.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I have another one right here. Hold on a minute. Okay, keep going.
Then you need 2 tablespoons of cocoa,
Nice remembering, Giovanna.
1, 2. Then you need a dash of salt.
Nice job. That's a big dash, Giovanna. Here, give me some. Give me some. Good. Nice job. What do I have to do with those dry ingredients, Giovanna?
Mix well.
Mix well. How do you know that?
Because step number 1 says put in all dry ingredients and mix well.
Nice job. Kimmy, what do I do next?
Next, you add in the wet ingredients and mix thoroughly.
Okay, so what step comes next, Kimmy?
First, you need an egg
How do you know?
because step 2 says carefully crack the egg and blend thoroughly into the mix.
Why don't you go ahead and do that?
No shells, that's good.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let you do that, Kimmy, while Giovanna tells me what will I do next.
Next, you add in 3 tablespoons of milk. And then 3 tablespoons of oil. And then a splash of vanilla.
Okay. My next step says pour in milk and oil and mix well. So what will I do next, Giovanna?
Add in 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of oil, and mix well.
Nice job. We'll wait for Kimmy to finish up on that.
Here you go.
And Giovanna, you can go ahead with the next step. Kimmy, how does Giovanna know that she was to use 3 tablespoons of each?
Because in the steps, it said in the pattern, it is 1, 3, 3 splash.
Nice remembering, Kimmy. Good job. And Kimmy, while we're waiting for Giovanna, why don't you go and tell me about the last ingredient in that 4th step?
A splash of vanilla.
Yes, and how did you remember to add a splash of vanilla?
Because in the step it says add a splash of vanilla and mix again.
Yes. And what was your wet ingredient strategy? How do you remember how to put those wet ingredients together?
Because the pattern is 1, 3, 3 splash.
Nice
Egg,
job.
milk, oil, and vanilla.
Nice job. And Kimmy, I'll let you do that last as soon as Giovanna's done. Just leave a fork right in there because I think the final step has some mixing as well. Splish,
Splash.
splash. Good job. Nice job. So, what's our final step, class?
To put in the microwave for 3
And
minutes.
cook for 3 minutes on high.
Nice job. I'll go ahead and put that in the microwave. We have cake.
That's so cool.
We have 1 chocolate cake, 1 in the oven. We have 2 cakes, and there are 3 of us here. So I'm going to see if you can work together and make a chocolate cake on your own without any help from me. I will watch as you're putting it together, and I may ask some questions about what you are doing. But I think you have this and can do it yourselves. What do you think?
Yes.
Good. All right, here's your mug, your tablespoon, your fork, your ingredients. Talk it out, work together.
Okay, first we need the flour. We need 4 tablespoons of flour. There we go.
One, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. Now we need 4 tablespoons of sugar.
Is she right, Giovanna?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because the pattern goes 4, 4, 2, dash, and flour, sugar, cocoa, salt.
Awesome. Good job.
One, 2, 3, 4. Now we need 2 tablespoons.
Are you putting in tablespoons or are you putting in teaspoons?
Tablespoons.
It was all the way opened?
Yeah.
2 tablespoons of cocoa. Now we need a dash of salt.
And how do you know you're just putting in a dash of salt, Kimmy?
Because that's what the instruction says to do. It's 4, 4, 2, dash.
Nice job.
Now mix thoroughly.
So why did you start with the flour, sugar, cocoa, and salt?
Because that's what step 1 says to do. It says to mix all the dry ingredients.
And those are the dry ingredients. Very good.
Now it says we need 1 egg.
No shells in there, we're good?
Why are you mixing the egg before you put in the other wet ingredients?
Because step number 2 says carefully crack the egg and blend thoroughly into the mix.
Nice job, Giovanna.
Now we need 3 tablespoons of oil. No, milk, actually.
Nice job. And how did you know to use the milk first?
Because in the steps, it's egg, milk, oil, vanilla.
Nice job. And how do you know it's 3 tablespoons of milk?
Because the pattern is 1, 3, 3 splash.
Nice job.
Now we need 3 tablespoons of oil.
One, 2,